Behind our house, we had a pile of rocks and this large boulder we had to relocate for a trenching project. To accomplish this, we used a Harbor Freight backhoe, but we didn't just start with the boulder itself. It was much too large for that small backhoe. We first had to split the boulder into two smaller pieces. To accomplish that, we used feathers and wedges. So that's the process you're seeing here. We drilled a series of holes along the top of the rock, and then you'll see where we drive the wedges in. And slowly but surely, as you pound those wedges down, it creates a nice crack in the rock. And we were very fortunate. We got a very nice crack in that it went all the way to the bottom of the boulder. Sometimes sections will pop off and you don't always get that nice clean break, but we did. And we got it into two manageable pieces that we were able to dig out and then move with the Harbor Freight backhoe trencher. So that's what you're going to see in the rest of the footage of this video. In this clip, you can see that our septic line was very close to this boulder, so we actually chipped off a little bit more of it and had to dig very carefully around it.